operators which is there in Python. The three Boolean operators and or not are used to compare Boolean values. We have Boolean operators as a binary value. So binary Boolean operators. The and or operators always take two Boolean values. That means two expressions. So they are considered as a binary operators and operator evaluates an expression to true if both Boolean values are true. Otherwise, it evaluates to false. So we will be having here and or not. These three will be treated as a binary operator. So it will take a two Boolean expressions or two Boolean values. We're taking it for evaluating. And here an and operator, if both the Boolean values are true, then the result of and operator will be true. So you can see here, if I have true and true, so it results true, true and false. It results false. Okay. So now next again you can see here we'll be having other expressions like false and true will be false and false and false will also be a result is false. So here we'll be looking at with this or operator. The or operator evaluates an expression to true if either of the two Boolean values is true. If both are false, it evaluates to false. Expressions true or true will give you true or false also will give you true, and false or true will give you true. False or false only will be getting a value as false. The same way you have a not operator. So the not operator or only one Boolean value. So the not operator simply evaluates to true to opposite value. Okay, see if we say now here not true. Okay, so that means you're using only single Boolean value. So if it is true means it becomes a false. If it is a false means it becomes a true. So mixing with a Boolean and comparison operator. So as we have seen in the last video, the comparison operators, it is less than equals to, equal to, or not equal to. So combining with this operators again with the Boolean operators. Okay, how we are going to evaluate it? You can see here in the examples we've taken 4 is less than 5 and 5 is less than 6. So now it is going to evaluate first the 4 is less than 5 or not. Okay, that comparison operator will be evaluate if it is true. Again, it will evaluate 5 less than 6. Again, if it is true, then finally it is taking 4. 5 is less 4 is less than 5 and 5 is less than 6. So it will give an answer as true. So now the same thing, we'll just have a look at it and how we are executing. We just see where that. So we'll take with ID. So we just have this 4 is less than 5 and 5 5 less than 6. It gives a value true, obviously. Again, if I compare 1 is equals to 2 and 2 is equals to 2, it is syntax error because we need to have this particular expression to be written down inside the parenthesis. So same thing, we'll write it down. 1 is equals to 2 and 2 is equals to 2. So now we'll check it. That gives a false because 2 is equals to 2. It is true, but 1 is equals to 2. It is false. So false and true will give you false as an answer. Again, if I wanted to check it for not, so now if I say not true, so here T should be capital TRUE. So now it gives a value false. Correct? No? So if I wanted to check for R, I can check it. One is less than 2 or 2 is less than 1. True, because here 1 is less than 2 is true, but 2 is less than 1 it is false. But we are using a operator is or, so either one of the statement is true also, it gives a value. Okay, so this is how you have to take it. Okay, so this is how the mixing with uh, logical operators along with your comparison operators. Okay, the Boolean operators will be okay. So thank you. We'll continue the same introduction to Python in the next session.